Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Madhubani painting. It's an Indian folk painting also known as Mithila painting. Before you go to the video, let me tell something about Madhubani painting. It's an Indian folk painting that is traditionally done by women in Mithila region, Bihar in India. Traditionally, it was done on walls, floors of their house, but today it is done on paper, canvas, etc. using different mediums like acrylics, oils, and so on. There are some points that you should concentrate while you are doing Madhubani painting. The theme you choose should be nature related or devotees. And the most important part of the painting is border, the two-dimensional drawing, and the decoration. There are two styles in Madhubani painting, Kachni and Bharni. In Kachni, black, white are used more often, but you can use one more color if you want. In Bharni, the word Bharni itself means filled, so you can understand that the painting will be fully colored and colorful. Following these simple steps, you can easily make Madhubani painting. The first step is making the border. Second step, make your drawing. Third, decorate your drawing. Fourth, fill all the gaps and then paint. So first I'm just outlining the border. I'm designing the border last only. Now I'm drawing the theme which I have chosen. You can draw or even trace a picture. Draw the outlines with a black marker. After making the outlines, fill all the gaps with designs. In this Indian folk painting, shading is not done. Only single colors are used at a time. You should be careful while choosing the foreground colors. The nice idea will be choosing the background color first and then choosing the foreground colors. Here I have chosen the orange for the background color, so I am using vibrant colors for the foreground. Black color is not only used for outlines, also for making some designs in this painting. After completely painting the picture, now I am drawing some designs on peacock and background. For background design, I am choosing the commonly used design in Madhubani painting. And at last I am drawing the border. Now my painting is ready. This is my Madhubani painting. Hope you all liked it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do share, like and subscribe my channel.